Hey YouTube, Sandy Frank here. Today, going to be opening up a hobby box of 2022 Star Wars Black Topps Chrome. And this stuff is definitely overpriced, I think. But let's try another box. I bought 2 boxes. Definitely dropped down a lot just because there's not a lot to these. But the card quality is really nice. Let's see if we can get something good. Get one encased autograph and then like some other cards with it. So. Alright, so there's our stuff. Alright, empty box. Okay. Okay, there's our pack with 3 cards. Let's save the auto. Figure out how to do this the best way. We're hiding it. Can't tell. Alright, let's see what our base cards are. Now there's actually pack odds on those. So we got a Director Krennic base card. Got 2 numbered cards. IG-11. And the card quality on these is fantastic. So Topps can do quality stuff if they feel like it. And Aurra Sing. Like a green parallel. That one's out of 199, and this one is out of 99. Okay. I know there's some big Aurra Sing fans out there. Okay. Now, let's see what we got as our auto. Oh my lord. Han Solo. Now, is this Harrison Ford Han Solo? Or is this young Alden Ehrenreich Han Solo? Either way, amazing. Well, it's young Aaron. Man, that's awesome. I love it. I definitely do not have this auto in my collection from the Solo movie. That is sweet. Okay, this is a great box. And it's not even numbered. That's crazy. Just a base auto. Alden Ehrenreich. So I totally botched his name. But that is awesome. That's definitely staying in the collection. Alden Ehrenreich as Han Solo. Very cool. And the card looks pretty good too. Alright. Some nice base cards and a nice Han Solo auto. I like it. Alright, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos later.
While I can't touch and I cannot lie, you are the brothers I can't deny.